This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by connecting the L120 to your computer and confirming drivers are installed. This ensures the adjustment tool can talk to the hardware. Once done, unzip the Epson adjustment program to a folder you can find quickly. Make sure the printer is powered off when instructed by the tool, and that USB is direct, not through a hub, because communication failures often cause the service required error. You'll save time by preparing a simple photo or note of serial numbers before continuing. Now run the adjustment program and pick waste ink pad counter for the L120 model. You do this because the machine flags a counter limit, not always a hardware fault. Once selected, click Check to read the counter, then initialize to zero it. The software will prompt you to power cycle the printer. Do that immediately to commit changes. Make sure you follow each on-screen prompt. Skipping a step can leave the counter unchanged and the service message active. After initialization, print a nozzle check and a short test page to verify the service required message is gone. This confirms the firmware accepted the reset. If the message persists, power down and inspect the waste ink pads. Saturated pads can trigger the sensor and must be cleaned or replaced. If you still see the error, make sure USB is direct, repeat the reset sequence, and then consider professional service because heavily saturated pads risk leakage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.